$4,580,000 in Chartwell, West Vancouver. Let's go see it.
This 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house with more than 4,300 square feet of living space has recently been renovated with amazing finishings. Here in the kitchen, you see a big workspace along with high-end appliances. Behind me is a good-sized family room for you to enjoy. Moving on to the view, it's amazing. You see the Vancouver skyline right in front of you. Next to that is a spacious living room and dining room, the perfect spot for your guests. Going down the stairs, let's go take a look at some of the bedrooms in this house, all of which come with ensuite bathrooms, so nobody has to go to war over who's using the shower first. Now let's go check out the office before we move on to another bedroom. Here in the office, good amount of space for your table, and the bedroom, spacious, more than enough room to fit everything that you might need. Now I want to show you the master bedroom that comes with its own 4-piece bathroom along with access to its own little balcony through that door over there. The bedroom itself is large, you can fit a king-size bed, and you have more than enough space for anything else. Going down to the final floor of this house, let's go take a look at the rec room that has access to the backyard, another great space to entertain guests. To its right is the final bedroom, again spacious like the one right above it. Going down the hall this way, let's go take a look at the final bathroom along with the secondary office that has access to the backyard. If you like this tour and want to see more like this, then give me a follow.